Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I wanted to bring you a quick little Ulta haul. I ordered some new items, new makeup, and I figured I would share with you before I test it out. So today's video is going to be rather short and hopefully pretty quick if I don't ramble on too much, of course. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito or your drink. I am sipping on some water because I've been on my water game again. So anyways, cheers and enjoy, and let's jump right into today's Ulta haul. So before we jump into the Ulta haul, I wanted to show you guys some lashes that I just got in the mail today, and I want to give my friend Sandy a shout out because she is a small business owner. So she has the She Lashed Lashes little website, little company. Of course, it's a small business. She is an amazing makeup artist. I've mentioned her in my videos before, I think. So this is her new She Buchona collection, which the packaging was so cute. It comes with 3 lashes for like $12. Super, super affordable. And they're just the cutest lashes. I really wanted to wear them today, but I wanted to show them on camera before I put them on. So the first style is She Toxica, She Buchona, and then the last word or the last lashes is She Chingona, which is like you're a baddie pretty much. So super cute. Congratulations on this beautiful collection. The packaging, everything, like just the attention to detail is super duper cute. I will have her website if you guys want to support a Latina with a small business. Okay, let's jump right into the haul. Like I said, I don't have many items. So it came in a pretty small bag, which is totally okay. And even though it's a small order, literally spent over like $150. I'm like, how? So L'Oreal just released new blushes, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am always on the Ulta app because that's where I can kind of keep up with new drugstore launches. So again, these are from L'Oreal. They're infallible 24-hour fresh wear blushes. I got 2 shades. The last 2 were a little too deep, too berry for my taste, but I thought these would just be super duper cute. And let's do a little swatch, shall we? This one is in Fearless Coral, which is definitely leaning a little more pink. Let's focus here. I'm also going to pull up my Ulta app. Not sure if the Ulta app is tripping or what, but I cannot find them. They are not pulling up. And when I go into my order and I click on them, it takes me somewhere else. So I'm just going to show them to you guys. Again, this one is called Fearless Coral. Let's do a little swatch. Oh my gosh, they feel super velvety and soft. Wow, that is so silky, you guys. I wish you could feel them. They feel very, very velvety, like a very soft powder. Do you guys, why is it not focusing? Come on, focus. There we go. That is Fearless Coral. That's really pretty. And then the other one is called Confident Pink. So I'm guessing this one's going to be more, oh, that is so pretty. It's like a Barbie pink. And they are both pretty vibrant, honestly. Like the pigmentation is insane. I wonder how these will compare to the Juvia's Place powder blushes because those are probably the most hyped and like viral blushes at the moment. I need to clean my hands. A lot of the shades that I wanted from the Juvia's blushes were sold out at my local Ulta. So I am just going to show you the one that I got. This is the Marigold shade, which is a peachy toned blush. Of course, they are crazy pigmented. I haven't even tried it, but I am so excited. Like, look at these beautiful colors, perfect for the summer. So I got that one, and if you guys haven't seen these all over TikTok, you've definitely been under a rock or something because they're literally all over my For You page. They're on my Instagram. A lot of my friends have been swatching them, and I had to get my hands on them. I also really quickly wanted to show you guys, I got the new Billie Eilish perfume. So I own the first one, Billie Eilish #1. You can't see it here. Let me grab it. So this is Billie Eilish #1, and this has to be one of my top favorite scents out of my entire collection. It smells so delicious. It's like a warm vanilla scent. I love it. I love layering it with the Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. Both of them mix perfectly. So she recently came out with this one, and I have been waiting for months for Ulta to get it in store so I can go smell it, and it did not disappoint. This one is definitely a little more like a nighttime, and it's a little bit stronger compared to her first one. Described as a woody floral fragrance featuring notes of apple blossom, wild wet poppy flowers, and palo santo. I'm not sure what palo santo is, but I've heard so many people saying that it's a really good and delicious scent. But she definitely came through with this one as well. Once I finish this one, I will be purchasing the regular bottle because it's so cute. It's so pretty to look at, and it's so aesthetically pleasing. So let's move on. New Milani liquid lipsticks. Yep. They launched a bunch of shades, and of course I ordered the nudes and pinks. I wish these were more nude. They're definitely leaning a little too pink, but we're gonna swatch them. Really quickly, let's open up this MAC Skin Finish Sunstruck Matte Bronzer. I love the MAC Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish. I think that's what it's called. So I wanted to try a different shade and just something new. So we'll see how this one works and how it feels. Oh, that's strange. They had a few shades, but the one that I wanted was sold out, and of course I was impatient. That's actually really pretty. So that is the color right here. I also got a MAC lip gloss. I don't even know how it ended up in my cart. And then when I saw that it was in there, I was like, whatever, I'll try it. So this is the MAC lip gloss. And it's just like some of their OG lip glosses. I am wearing lip gloss right now, but I'm curious to see if this will make it extra glossy. And I really just wanted a clear gloss for those days that I just want to add a pop of gloss, but I don't necessarily want to add color. So let's see how this looks. Mind you, I already have kind of a lot of gloss. Little trick for you. I think it was on sale for like $16, which is still kind of a lot, but whatever. I was like, you know what? Una vez al año no hace daño. Let's move on to the Milani liquid lipsticks, and then I do have one skincare item that I wanted to share with you. So Milani just dropped, like I said, a bunch of liquid lipsticks. Let's take a look at them. These are retailing for $12.49. These are the Stay Put Liquid Lip Longwear Lipstick, and they have 12 options to choose from. These are described as a long-lasting but lightweight matte formula with up to 12 hours of high comfort and transfer-proof wear. So let's go ahead and go through these quickly. I have the shade Iconic. This one is described as a nude rose. That's actually pretty. It's definitely not colors that I naturally gravitate towards just because they lean a little like pink, but I will try them. This one is called, I think it's 10 out of 10, and it's described as a warm cinnamon. Yeah, this one's really pretty. See what I mean? Like all of these pull some sort of pink undertone. They don't really have like a nude beige or like warmer undertones. This one, I don't know if I'm gonna like. This one is called Glow Up, and it's described as a pale pink. Actually, I think I specifically, yeah, this is definitely not my kind of pink, but it is really pretty. It just, these don't really look good on me for some reason. I feel like they tend to pull a lot of like the yellow from my teeth, and they just don't complement my skin tone very well. I think it's because it leans a little more cool, and I don't know. I'm just talking out of my mouth. Anyway, so then the last shade that I have here is called Snatched. This one is described as a berry rose. So again, tons of pink. This one is actually prettier, but out of all of them, I am only liking 10 out of 10, which is the most nude out of them all. And I am trying to like push myself out of my comfort zone and try like different shades besides like these, but this is just what I like. So last but not least is the, okay, I don't know how you pronounce this, but it's COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It has over 1,000 reviews, and it has a 4.7 star rating. I've seen this again all over TikTok. I am easily influenced all over Instagram. So this is recommended for those with dull and rough skin, dry, dehydrated skin, soothing damaged skin, dark spots and scars, sorry, which is like all of me. Hello. And this one is $25. I hope this works out for me. I do already have like a skincare routine that I love and that I feel comfortable with. I will of course link it for you guys if you want to check it out. But it's always nice to kind of like add something different into your skincare routine. So let's open her up. And I've seen that this is like super not goopy. Like you think of snail mucin, and it doesn't sound very appealing, but this is a Korean skincare. So anything Korean tends to be super, super nice. Okay, so it is. Do you guys see that? It is slightly like, what's the word? Yeah, I don't know what word to use for that, but you guys know what I mean. It actually doesn't feel tacky, and it doesn't have a scent. The only thing that I'm smelling on me is my lotion that I just applied before I started filming. I mean, I will try it. People rave about this, and my skin has definitely been a little bit dehydrated. So yeah, you guys, oh my gosh, are you guys excited for anything? Did you see anything that you've either had your eye on or that you didn't know was out and you will be picking it up now? As always, I will have everything linked in my description box, so don't forget to go check that out. If you want to support me and my channel, I would greatly appreciate you using any link in the description box because I do earn a small commission through that. And if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and share it to your friends, your girlfriends that are makeup lovers as well, because YouTube lately has not been pushing up my videos and my channel is struggling, and it just really mentally drains me, you guys. Like I've just been battling mentally so much with this because this is my baby. My channel is my baby. I love you guys and I love our community, but YouTube doesn't, I don't think they like me. So anyways, that is it from you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your time. I really, really, really appreciate it. I love you. Stay safe. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.